is up guys, it's R4UL TV, R4UL, we're back again, and what we're doing this time around is we've got a Peugeot Bipper van here, a 2011, and as you can see, the front end is all smashed up, the gearbox is all smashed up, the oil cooler is all smashed up, basically it's had a front end smash, right? So I'm going to restore this van, get it back to tip-top condition, and my brother's going to keep this one. Let's do it, follow the journey. This is how it looks now. And after it's done, I'll get back at you. So first things first, we're gonna do the gearbox, do the oil cooler, get it running first, see if everything's all right. Then we'll go and do the bodywork. Let's go. What it is, guys, we're not gonna do a tutorial. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you how to replace the gearbox on this one. But what I'm gonna show you is it's like a restoration, right? Like a process. So follow me through the journey, and hopefully this van will be up and running again, a fully functional van. So yeah, that's it. So no tutorial in this one. I mean, if you can get ideas of how to replace the gearbox from watching this video, then happy days. If not, it's just a restoration. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is, obviously I've made a start on taking the gearbox off, but I'm not going to take the gearbox off. Something glaring in my eyes as well at the same time. Right. So I'm not going to take the gearbox off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the front panel off, because we need to change the oil cooler as it is. So I'm going to take the front panel off, radiator off, get to the oil cooler, and give you some more space to take the gearbox off as well. So yeah, let's go. Right guys, check it out. There's the culprit, the oil cooler leaking. Somebody's tried botching it up. Right, so if we've got the oil cooler there, I can even dive in to do the gearbox. There we go guys, the oil cooler is off. Bang the oil cooler back on, happy days, that's done. I think somebody else has had a go at it in the past, but anyway, that's that. What I'm going to do now is, now I can see everything here, bell housing balls, everything. I'm going to take the gearbox off, replace the gearbox. So oil cooler done, gearbox is done, car is ready to run, and then we'll see to the cosmetics of the car. So yeah, that's it. There we have it guys, the gearbox is off. There it is, on the floor. And yeah, let's get the new one. Guys, I've got the gearbox back in, everything's back on. Basically all we need to do now is put the radiator back on, obviously put the battery tray and all that back on. I'm going to put the battery tray back on, all the air filter, well not air filter, the air pipes back on, and basically put the front end back on, the radiator, intercooler. Let's do it. Let's restore this van. Let's go. Hey guys, I put the gearbox back on, batteries back on, everything is back on, besides the front end that is. So the car should start up, yeah? Let's go, let's start it up. Happy days, car is running, celebration time, gearbox is on, no oil leak. Let's put the face back on and let's go. Guys, this bumper was red, by the way, yeah? What I've done is, because it's only that little panel here, what's the point buying spray, proper spray for like 15 quid, 20 quid? I bought it for £1 from the pound shop. Pound shop white gloss, pound shop primer. Let's go. Let that dry up. We'll fit it on the van. Right guys, finishing touches going on. Right guys, this is the van that we restored and everything. It's all done and dusted, but I'm not going to show you guys yet. Right? I'm not going to show you guys yet. I'm going to take it to the car wash. We're going to go for a car wash. Then the big reveal, yeah? And my brother is well chuffed with it because he always wanted a van. Got him a van now. We've got him a courtesy of Andy as well. Andy Lee, AWB, check them out as well. Good garage scheme, good top garage, good mechanics. Wayne, Boris, decent, very good mechanics. Yeah, but courtesy of Andy Lee, he was gonna scrap it. He gave it to me, and then obviously we fixed it up, and that's it. I'm gonna give it to my brother. Yeah, let's go. Right guys, it's moment of truth. Ta-da! Look at that. Check that out. Right guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my little restoration project. It's all done and dusted. He's gonna get the keys to his new van. Happy driving. Anyway guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section and I will see you guys soon. R4UL TV, we're out. Take care.